The part of Greenland that's melting is out on the edges of the ice sheet, and that area is growing and it's moving higher up onto the ice sheet as the climate changes in that part of the world. You see all this water melting down through these Swiss cheese holes, and you see it melting down through the channels. It goes from little channels into big channels, and eventually everything drops vertically down through these big moulin caverns, goes down to the bottom of the ice sheet and out to the ocean.
Ordinarily, if you make climate a little warmer, the glacier shrinks a little bit. If you make climate a little colder, the glacier grows a little bit. And those two things kind of work to maintain a balance. But if it gets too warm and the ice gets too thin, it doesn't respond just a little bit. The volume drops. You cross that tipping point, climate no longer matters. It's irreversible. It's just going to keep going.
The sea level rise that will happen in my daughter's lifetimes will be somewhere between 1.5 feet and 3 feet, minimum. That doesn't sound like a lot if you live up in the Rocky Mountains, but if you live down in Chesapeake Bay, along the Gulf Coast of the United States, in the Ganges floodplain, that matters a lot. It matters in China, it matters in Indonesia. A minimum of 150 million people will be displaced. That's like approximately half the size of the United States. And all those people are going to be flushed out and have to move somewhere else. It also intensifies the impact of hurricanes and typhoons. It means that there's a lot more high water along the coastline, so when these big storms come, it pushes that much more water that much further inland. That's where our story of Greenland climate change is expressed. It's in that meltwater rushing out to the ocean. That's what we're photographing. That's what I've been up there trying to document.